Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is I already have my strap measured, so I used the very last hole. So you want to put the shoe on and mark which hole you want to use, and then I'm gonna use this ostrich fabric trim I ordered from Amazon, and I'm gonna start right where the buckle begins, and I'm just gonna take this E6000 glue, it looks like that, and I'm gonna glue it and come back and show you guys. So I just finished gluing the trim on, and I also glued the strap on to this back piece to hold it in place. I don't know if you guys can see that. No, you can't. Okay. Anyways, I just glued on the first round, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess trim off, and then I'm gonna wrap around a second time and glue on top because I want the feathers to be a little fuller. So I'm gonna do that and cut. So I just glued the second round of feathers on, so you can see it looks a little fuller. And I know right now it looks a little funky, but when we put these on and you got your toes in it, they're gonna be super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the next shoe, and then I'll be right back. So next thing you're gonna need is some little pearls, and I found these at Joann's Fabrics. So I'm just gonna put them in like a design. You wanna play with it. I think I'm gonna do like a little pyramid. So once I do that, I'm gonna glue them down with my E6000 glue, and I'll be back. So I end up adding 3 pearls and then like a little rhinestone in the middle. So that's what the whole shoe's looking like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other shoe. So this is the finished product. I went ahead and added the pearls and the rhinestone in the middle of the pearls. You guys can do rhinestones all the way across, pearls all the way across, you know, get creative with it. And this is what the side of the shoe is looking like right there. The inside. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up and share. Let me know if you guys want to see more DIYs, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.